Hi kids. Now you are going to learn movement of the ocean water. The ocean water, it is dynamic. Temperature, salinity, density, external forces of the sun, moon and the winds keep the ocean waters in movement both horizontally as well as in the vertically. Waves and currents are in horizontal motion while tides have vertical motion. First we will know about the waves. Of all the movements of the ocean, sea waves are considered to be the strongest one. Sea waves are ripples on water caused when winds blow over the sea. The height of these waves depends on the speed of wind, its duration and the direction from which they blow. Okay, the height of the waves actually depends upon the speed of the wind alone and its duration and direction from which they blow. The wind from which direction they are blowing, according to that alone the waves also it will blow them. Sometimes waves are also caused by tremors felt on the ocean floor. Such waves are quite destructive and called as a tsunami. The energy of the falling wave water is used to turn hydro turbines to generate power. Wave energy power plants have been installed at Vizhinjam in Kerala coast and Andaman and Nicobar Islands of India. Next, you will be knowing about tides. The periodic rise and fall of sea water due to the gravitational pull of the sun and moon on the earth are called tides. They are classified into spring tide and neap tide. When the sun, moon and earth are aligned in the same line, the collective gravitation pull of the sun and moon on earth's water strengthens to form a high tide known as spring tide. The high tide is known as the spring tide. Such tides always occur on full moon and new moon days, when the sun and the moon are at right angles. Okay, first of what I said, sun, moon and earth are aligned in the same line. Here, when the sun and the moon are the right angles, their gravitational forces work against each other, it causing the low tide, which called as a neap tide. A neap tide occurs between two spring tides, that is twice in a month, when the first and last quarter moon appears. Potential tidal energy zones of India are the Gulf of Cambodge, Gulf of Kutch and Sundarbans. Ocean currents. The movement of oceanic water on the surface and at the depths in a definite direction is called ocean current. Ocean currents are in clockwise motion in the northern hemisphere and in the anti-clockwise motion in the southern hemisphere. Ocean currents, how they are in the northern hemisphere? Clockwise motion, and in the southern hemisphere anti-clockwise motion. The factors that generate ocean currents are, what are the factors that generating ocean currents? That are Earth's rotation, prevailing winds and differences in temperature and salinity of ocean water. On the basis of temperature, ocean currents are classified as warm and cold currents. The movement of ocean currents from the low latitude towards high latitude is called warm current. Okay, low latitude to high latitude is called as a warm current. That means from the tropical zone to temperate and polar zone, it is called as a warm current. National Institute of Oceanography was established in 1st January 1966. The headquarters is located in Donapola in Goa. It conducts research and observation to understand oceanic features, ocean engineering, marine archaeology, like that.